Hey, I'm William. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the Pulsator plate, some might call it an agitator, on your Samsung top-load washer. If you're experiencing issues like uneven cleaning, strange noises, or the agitator not moving properly, it might be time to check or replace this part. Now before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful appliance repair guides. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by gathering the tools we'll need for today's repair. We'll be using a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm socket. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Make sure to unplug your top-load washer or turn the breaker off before you begin. We're grabbing our flathead screwdriver and using it to remove the Pulsator plate cap. We're grabbing our 10mm socket and removing the bolt. Now we're lifting the Pulsator plate up and looking underneath for any debris that may have lodged between the Pulsator plate and the tub. We're also looking at the bottom of the Pulsator plate for any damage to the teeth. If there is no debris and the teeth are not damaged, something else might be causing your washer to not agitate properly. If you found your Pulsator plate has failed, I'm going to show you how to replace it. Thankfully, this one is easy. Here's the old Pulsator plate and here's a new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. We're pushing the Pulsator plate down onto the drive shaft and securing it with the 10mm bolt we removed. We are placing the cap back onto the Pulsator plate and plugging the power cord back in. Great job tackling your Samsung top-load washer repair. If you had success, or even if you hit a snag, let us know in the comments below. We're here to support you every step of the way. Should you need a replacement Pulsator plate, just grab your washer's model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive in just a few days, so you'll have that washer running like new in no time. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you with your next project.